Hi everyone, hope all of you are doing great. My name is Daulat Hussain. As we all know that TikTok is banned in India, but in this video I will show you that despite of being banned, we can still use TikTok in our phone. So if you really want to know, stay tuned till the end where I'm going to explain everything that how you can use TikTok in your phone, what are the VPN we have to use and what APK file we have to install for TikTok. So that's all I'm going to explain in this video. Make sure you watch it till the end to learn everything about TikTok and how you can install in your phone. So as you can see that I'm successfully installed TikTok in my app. Now let me show you that what are the things you have to do. The first thing you have to do is simply open a browser. So before I do this, let me uninstall this application so I can show you live that how you can install that. So as I have already installed my TikTok, now I will show you that how you can download TikTok. So simply go to your Chrome browser. Let me cut this all. Open a new tab and simply search for DAULAT, Daulat, HUSSAIN, Hussain, and you will come here. This is my website. You can simply click on this menu icon, click on this marketing. You will come to this article. Simply you have to click on this read more. Here in this article I have explained everything about the TikTok, that what are the settings you have to do, what are the files you have to install. So if you want, you can read everything about it. So the thing we have to do is first we have to install this VPN. This one is one of the best VPN you can use for no matter what you want to do in your browser. Like this is the best when you want to use TikTok, because I have tried almost 50 to 60 VPN, but none of those VPNs were working when I was doing all this testing for the TikTok. So you can simply install this VPN. I have already given you the link. So make sure you download this VPN from here, because this is the latest version. And let me scroll it down, and here I have provided you the latest version of TikTok. Simply download it from here, APK files, and install into your phone. So let me show you. As you can see, I have downloaded the file successfully. Now simply click on open, and here you have to click on install. This one is the latest version, so make sure you download it from here. Now don't open this application. The very first thing you have to do, simply just minimize it and just refresh everything from here. Now the very first thing you have to do, let me scroll it down, and first turn on the VPN which you have installed. So I have already provided you the VPN. Make sure you install that. So I have installed the VPN. So simply click on VPN. If you click on this, let me close this app. So if you click on auto, you will find some suggestion. I would recommend you not to touch anything, just let it be auto, and click on connect. So as you can see that I have successfully connected with VPN. Now let me minimize this, and now I'm going to open my TikTok account. So let me show you. Once I will click here it will ask you whether you want to get the full TikTok app. So I would recommend you not to get that, because once you will install the full version of this app, you might going to have the same problem. You can't able to use this app. So I will say not now. And as you can see that we have successfully access to TikTok right now. We can scroll it down and we can watch the videos. My net is slow, that's why it's not sliding. So as you can see, just simply click not now. So I can easily able to, I don't know what kind of videos are coming. So this as you can see, I can able to use it very smoothly, so no problem I'm having. So if you want to log into your account, so all you have to do, simply click on here this man icon and just click on this. So here I'm into my TikTok profile. It's a brand new profile. I haven't used TikTok before. This is the first time when I was getting these questions, so I thought let's make a dedicated video on this to solve your problem. So this is my TikTok profile. So if you want to change any information regarding your profile, you can do that. Just simply click on this three dot, and from here you can able to control all the things, like you can able to manage your account, privacy, get coins, languages. So here you have full control over your account. So this is how you can use TikTok in your phone. I would recommend you not to go with the full version of this TikTok, otherwise it won't work. You can able to watch videos, you can do a lot of things. So I would recommend you to give a try and check from your end. If you really like this version of TikTok, then it's well and good, otherwise it's totally up to you. So I have provided you the file in that article, so you can get it from there. And one more thing, I have also explained you one way to get this application in the article, which I'm not going to for now, because I think this is going to work. But in some of the cases, if it's not work for you, please read the article where I have mentioned in the images that how you have to install from the browser, and you can able to use in this way. So hope you have found this video valuable. If you have any questions, any doubt, leave that in the comment section. I would love to help you. And so do leave your thoughts, what do you think about it. Have a great day. Bye bye.